introduce myself. My name is Alvin Octaviani. Today I would like to present a topic for our intermediate reading class entitled Previewing and Predicting in Reading English Text. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of previewing and predicting, their function, and why these strategies are important in reading comprehension. Reading is not only about looking at words and sentences. Reading is an active process that involves thinking, understanding, and connecting information. When we read, we try to understand the writer's ideas and relate them to our own knowledge and experience. Good readers usually use reading strategies to help them understand text more easily and effectively. Reading strategies are important because they improve comprehension, increase reading efficiency, and support academic success. Students who use reading strategies usually understand text faster and remember information better. Today, I will focus on two important strategies, which are previewing and predicting. First, let us talk about previewing. Previewing is a strategy that you do before reading in the whole text. Previewing means looking at the title, headings, subheadings, picture, charts, highlight words, introduction, or summary before reading in detail. The purpose is to get a general understanding of the text. For example, before reading an article about climate change, we can first look at the title, the pictures, and the headings. From this part, we may already know that the text discusses environmental problem, pollution, or global warming. This helps us prepare our minds before reading the full text. Previewing has many functions. First, it activates background knowledge. This means readers remember that they already know about the topic. Second, it helps readers identify the structure of the text. Third, it helps readers set a reading purpose. Finally, it helps readers build expectation about the content of the text. Previewing is very useful, especially in academic reading. Sometimes academic texts are long and difficult, so previewing helps students understand the text more easily and avoid confusion. The second strategy is predicting. Predicting is a strategy used during reading. Predicting means making logical guess about what information will come next in the text. Readers use clues from the text and combine them with their own knowledge and experience. For example, when reading a story, we often guess what will happen next. If the main character has a problem, we may predict how the character will solve it. In academic text, reader may predict in the next explanation or the conclusion of the topic. Predicting makes reading more interactive and interesting because readers become active participants in the reading process instead of just reading passively. Predicting also has several important functions. It encourages active thinking, improves concentration, strengthens comprehension, and develops critical thinking skills. When readers make predictions, they usually pay more attention to the text because they want to know if their predictions are correct or not. This helps readers stay focused while reading. Previewing and predicting are connected strategies. Previewing prepares readers before reading, while predicting helps readers during reading. Both strategies work together to improve comprehension and make reading more effective. In our daily life, these strategies are actually very common. For example, before watching a movie, we usually look at the title, poster, or trailer first. Then we predict that the story will be about. Reading strategies work in a similar way. As students, especially in university, we often read academic books, journal, and articles in English. Using previewing and predicting can help us understand text faster and reduce difficulties while reading. In conclusion, previewing and predicting are important reading strategies. Previewing helps readers prepare before reading, while predicting helps readers stay active during reading. Together, these strategies improve comprehension, concentration, and critical thinking skills. I hope this presentation is useful and help us to understand the importance of reading strategies in academic learning. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.